Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share your Instagram profile link directly from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, the process is now easier and more streamlined than ever. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can quickly copy and share your profile link with friends, followers, or anywhere you want online. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving on. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile photo right there in the corner. Click on your profile photo to head straight to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look to the top of the page. You'll notice 3 dots arranged vertically. This is your options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear, giving you several choices. From this menu, select the option that says Copy URL. With just one click, your unique Instagram profile link is copied to your clipboard. It's that simple. Now, you're ready to share your profile link wherever you like. Paste it into a message, an email, a social media post, or anywhere else you want people to find your Instagram profile. Just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. This new update makes it incredibly convenient to share your Instagram presence with others, whether you're networking, promoting your brand, or just connecting with friends. No more searching for your username or typing out long addresses. Your profile link is just a few clicks away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need a little help navigating Instagram on PC. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.